Lori. I'm at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I have Jeremy at the No Slam booth. Jeremy, you've got a really cool invention here with kind of a doorstop magnetic thing. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, when you open up your bedroom windows and there's door slamming there all the time, people stick rocks and shoes in front of the doors. So we invented a product where that won't happen again. Clicks to the doors. It's got over 14 pounds of pull force.
Yeah, they did.
Our No Slam product fits over 85 different baseboards, where it rotates 15 degrees up to 15 degrees down, so it'll fit absolutely any baseboard. It's FDA approved, so it can be used in doctors' offices, daycares, community centers, kitchens, and it's good for indoor and outdoor use. Lots of people are sticking them on their patios.
That is a really neat invention. To find out more information or to purchase these, where can we go?
You can go to no-slam.com and purchase them online.
That sounds great, and we'll put the link below. Thank you very much, Jeremy.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.